Capricorn. My lovely Capricorns, welcome. Capricorn, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I welcome you. And for those of you returning Capricorns, thank you for your ongoing support. I truly appreciate you. It's a little different setup tonight. I am traveling here, so it was an unexpected trip. I packed a deck of cards and here we are, Capricorn. Alright, so we're going to do a general reading to look at the energy that's coming towards you this week, Capricorn, and what you can expect. Please, if you find that these messages for some reason do not resonate with your situation, do not panic, Capricorn. It's just all the more reason for you to click the subscribe button and mash that notification bell so that when your messages do drop in the next few days, you're the first one to know about it. All right, Spirit, let's get some messages on the board for my Capricorns. What can they look forward to over the next few days? What's coming their way? All right. Okay. All right, Capricorn. The first message that I have here for you is that of the Fool, followed by the Empress, and finally we have the King of Pentacles in the reverse. Overall energy here is that of the Eight of Cups in the reverse. Okay. All right, Capricorn. What I'm very strongly feeling with this Fool card, as soon as I flipped it over here, is someone is willing to take a leap and come towards you, Capricorn. They are coming your way, and I feel like this is someone who's had to build up the guts to do so. Like, they may be coming at you in a manner in which you will stop and question, does this person really decide that this is the day they wanted to get up and do this, make this move? Because their move towards you will feel very amateurish. It will feel very, let's put it like this. Their move towards you is, this is someone from your past, okay? Let's be clear with that. And their move towards you is one that does not kind of meet the situation. So in other words, this ex left on bad terms, and now they're back and they're kind of like making light of the whole situation, or at least that's the way they're going to appear to you. And you're going to be like, really? You decided today that you were going to make this move, you know, and your first instinct may be to actually dismiss them because you're going to be like, they can't possibly be serious. But with this Empress, whether this person is masculine or feminine, this Empress card, they are standing in this Empress energy. They are serious. It feels very much like they did not know how to quite make the move, and they toyed with that in their mind and decided, you know, there's no good way to make this move. Like, it's going to be kind of rough riding by the seat of my pants no matter which way I make it. So let me just make a move. So they come at you, it feels very amateurish, but with this Empress energy, she is, again, whether your person is masculine or feminine, the Empress energy is a very mature, developed energy. So this person behind the scenes has done some growing up. They are taking you very serious, and they're coming to you because their heart desires you. Okay, of course it's your choice, Capricorn. as to how you proceed or whether you proceed. But this is the energy that they are standing in at this time. And they wish with this Empress energy to create something new with you, to create something beautiful with you, to create a comfortable new existence with you. All right. With this King of Pentacles in the reverse, Capricorn, King of Pentacles is your energy. However, this is going to throw you. This is going to throw you because, like I said, your first instinct is going to be one of, I cannot take this person's offer seriously. But then something about the conversation that happens as a result of them stepping forward allows you a glimpse at that Empress energy that they are exuding, right? And so now you're kind of thrown off balance. Like, do I believe my first instinct that they're not serious, or do I really believe what I'm seeing? Am I seeing the Empress energy, right? So there's going to be a thrown off balance thing. And for others of you, I just see you going kind of ham on this person and letting them have it. Like, how dare you step back towards me? How dare you? You left on extremely ugly terms, and now you think somebody wants to hear from your ass? Like, that's how I see some of you Capricorns going with this, okay? So that's what we have here. But overall, with this 8 of Cups in the reverse, this person does not want this to end. They may have ended it in the past, or you may have had to have ended it in the past. However, they're back saying, no, I want another chance. This can't be the end. It's not the end. I've had a change of heart. This is not the end. And with this Knight of Swords energy behind the scenes working on this situation, again, one way or another, harsh words are going to be expressed. There's going to be, because this Knight of Swords right here for me is carrying the energy of confrontation with this whole situation. So there's some sharp-tongued words that are going to be said. And for some of you, like I said, you are going to be the one delivering those words. You are going to be delivering that Knight of Swords. But for others of you, the ones that are kind of thrown off balance or whatever, if you even appear to as if you're going to reject, like just have the appearance of rejecting this person's advance, you may find that they do a flip-flop on you and they deliver some harsh words towards you. So overall, Capricorn, this is going to be interesting in that I don't think also with this Knight of Swords, you see it coming. Like, you don't see this person reapproaching you. Like, you just don't see that as something that's going to happen, and you're not expecting it. Sorry for bumping the camera there. But you're not expecting this. You're not expecting this at this time from this person. So this hits you by surprise. And we are in Mercury retrograde, right? And this is the time that exes are known to dust off their, best outfit and come back in. And so, yeah. But you don't necessarily see this coming. I see them coming in pretty quick, hard, and fast at you, without any warning. So buckle up, Capricorn. It's going to be a hell of a week for you. All in all, I know you'll make the right decision for you, Capricorn. I know you will. I know you'll make the level-headed, grounded decision that will serve you best. All right? On your way out, Capricorn, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. And until next time, bye-bye.